I hope you're having a blessing morning. And today is our first review class. So welcome, welcome, welcome. We are 12 already, and we have more adding up, more students adding up. So we can give like a couple of more minutes to wait for the rest of the classmates. I hope we have a wonderful week. I know we are in evaluations, but if you study, if you review your things on time, if you ask questions on time, if you have doubts, then you're gonna be uh, like a pro on your exam, on your evaluation. You're gonna have excellent results, right? So take advantage of your review class. Don't miss them. No se las pierda because they are important. They have like some special tips that if you pay attention, you're going to discover them and they are going to be very useful for your evaluation. Remember that the evaluations are already open. Ya los abrí, las evaluaciones ya están abiertas, disponibles para ustedes. So, if you, after the review class, you want to start working on them, excellent. Lo quiere hacer muy bien. Si no tenemos desde ayer hasta el sábado, desde el lunes a sábado tenemos para poder hacerlo, pero no lo deje todo para el último momento porque si no usted lo va a hacer rápidamente y se puede equivocar. Hagámoslo con tiempo, despacio. Okay, don't do it in the last minute. That is my advice. Okay, let's share screen and let's begin our class. Okay, I'm going to need all your participation. I need, guys, your participation in this. You need to help me. Remember that I am not going to um, I'm not going to close your microphones personally. You're going to have the ability to turn on your microphone every time you want to participate, every time you want to help me with an exercise, or if you need to ask a question or make a comment. Okay, so we have here full screen or presentation. Um, can you see the presentation? Remember to write down on the chat if you can see the presentation. No problem with the presentation. Can you help me, please? Tell me, tell me. Yes, it's Herson. Thank you, Herson. Thank you for helping me. Yeah, no problems, it's Mia. Okay, excellent. Good job. Very good. Hi, Mia. Ay, mira qué preciosa. Me encantan tus audífonos. Qué bonitos. Really nice. Con sus orejitas. Oh, qué chévere. Okay, sweeties. This is our EFL review. It says year-end recognition award. Okay, this is just to remember that we are done. We have finished our school year. And these are the last things that we are doing because these are the reviews, the evaluations, and then you're on holidays. Okay, so this is a recognition saying bravo because you did excellent. So we finished our school year. Okay, 2020, we're going to 2021. Hi, Carlitos, qué lindo verte. Excellent, thank you, Carlos. Gracias por encender tu cámara, Carlos. Qué bonito es poder verte, Carlos. Really nice. And Mia and Daniel. Me encanta poder verlos, chicos. Qué bueno. Si alguien más está invitado a que enciendan camaritas, right? Para que podamos vernos en estos reviews, ya que son los últimos, ¿ok? Y podamos despedirnos bonito. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is our EFL review. So we are ready, right? Let's begin then with the vocabulary. Our temario okay, where we have all our topics that we need to study, says that you have to study Unit 8, right? Because we were not able to complete Unit 9. So we are just going to work on Unit 8. Right there it says European countries and other things, right? Because Unit 8 has different parts and different topics. They are all related, but they are different. So you have to study everything, okay? Not just one topic. All Unit 8. We are talking from page 74 to 83, I think. I believe it's 83. But the entire unit, we need to study it and complete it, okay? So let's begin. Let's see our vocabulary. I think you remember the vocabulary, right? So we are going to complete it by writing. First of all, we are going to identify it. Okay, so who can help me? Turn on microphone. Who can help me with number 1? What is this? Yes? Carlitos. Thank you, Carlitos.
Cave.
It's a cave. Very good. Let's repeat. It's a cave. Let's see number 2. This picture is so interesting where the book opens and we have a, what is this? Yes, Mia.
Volcano.
Excellent. It's a volcano. Let's repeat. It's a volcano. Excellent. Let's see here. What is the? What is the? We have number 3. You can raise your hand and then we can turn the microphone on. Yes, Carlitos?
Bridge.
Excellent. It's a bridge. Let's say it complete. Let's say it's a bridge. Okay. Excellent.
It's a bridge.
Very good, Carlos. Okay, and this picture over here, what is it? Oh my God. Look at it. What could it be? Yes, Adriana?
Hill.
Excellent. It's a hill. Let's say it complete, please. Right? Not only hill, it's a hill. We need to say it complete. Excellent. Very good, Adriana. Let's see over here. Oh, and this picture over here, what does it represent? Yes, Marianne?
Waterfall.
Very good, Marianne. It's a waterfall. Let's repeat. It's a waterfall. Excellent. Very good job. Let's see the last, no, not the last one, but almost the last one. And this one over here, what is it? Who can help me? This one over here. Let's see who can help me. Mm, because it's not that difficult. What is it? Marito, do you know what it is, Mario? Do you know? What is it?
Tunnel.
Very good job. Excellent. It's a tunnel. Let's repeat. It's a tunnel. It's a tunnel. Very good. And the last one over here, this looks nice. This really looks nice and interesting. What is it? What do you think it is? Yes, Marianne, what is it?
It's a swamp.
Excellent. Excellent. Very good. It's a swamp. Okay, remember this is the first vocabulary. Okay, then we need to go back here. We are going to write down the name of each one so we can remember how it is spelled. So we say that this is, it's a cave. This one over here, we said that it was a volcano. So it's a volcano. Number 3, this one was very easy. It's a bridge. There we go. Number 4, this picture was, let's see, it's a hill. Yes. Then we had the pond, the swamp, and we have the waterfall. Oh, and also the tunnel. So let's write it down. It's a waterfall. Let's see here. It's a tunnel. And the last one, it's a swamp. There we go. Okay, now remember the names of each place. We need to know the vocabulary in order to work with them. In the evaluation, you will need to work with the vocabulary. So we need to understand each word. So here, let's repeat. It's a cave. Here we can see even the drawings inside the cave. Look how interesting. It's a volcano. It's a bridge. It's a hill. It's a waterfall. It's a tunnel. It's a swamp. Okay, vocabulary word from Unit 8. Let's erase it. And then, now that we know the name of each place, we can practice location. We can practice different kind of locating words. Let me have a look. Here we are. Okay, it says practice sentences. Now that we know the name of each place, we need to use them with these words: through, over, out of, across, into, up, down, and around. Remember that through, you go under, a través de, okay, through. Over, you go on top, por encima. Out of, you can get out of a cave, right? Um, across, across the bridge, because you can go across, a través. Into, okay, into, adentro, hacia adentro, up and down. And if we go around, alrededor. So let's start writing sentences. I need your help to write sentences. Who can help me with the word through? Let's choose a picture. Cojamos uno. And then we can use the word through. If you want to write it down on the chat, the sentence, and then we can write it down with our picture. We need to practice. Remember that these words are going to appear in your evaluation. So let's practice. Let's see how we can do sentences using these words. Let's begin with through. Let me see. Let me give you an example. For example, Carlitos goes, ¿hacia dónde va? Through, goes through the cave, goes through the cave, a través de la cueva. Look over here. Here we have one. Okay, we have our subject, our verb, through, and the place. Carlitos goes through the cave. How about over? Podemos volver a usar lo mismo si quieren, o los demás, or the other picture. Over. Help me with a sentence using over. Yes, Carlitos?
I fly over the volcano.
Excellent. Very good. Me encantó. Very good, Carlos. I fly over the volcano. Wow, excellent. Very good job. Okay, here we have the volcano. Let's put it over here. And where do we fly? Si me deja enseñarle, mira, si dice I fly over the volcano. Esto es over, ¿ve? Por encima, over the volcano, right? I fly over the volcano. Excellent. Let's see, out of. Out of. Who can help me with a sentence using out of? Afuera de. Out of. Let's see who can help me. Raise your hand or send it on the chat. Solo Carlitos me está participando. Vamos, chicos. Come on, come on. Out of. Yes, Carlitos?
I am out of the cave.
Very good. Vaya, ¿qué tal si yo corro fuera de la cueva? Vaya. I run out of the cave. Very good, Carlos. Se parece mucho a la que dijiste. I run out of the cave. Simple sentences. They don't have to be complicated. They are easy. They could be easy. Okay, they don't have to be complicated. There we go. Okay, let's see. Across. A través. Across. Who can help me with across? A través. Across. I'm going to choose someone. Vamos a escoger a. A ver, across. Across is an easy one. Let's see, Santiago. Can you give me a sentence with across, Santiago, please? Let's see, Santiago. Estamos aquí, Santiago. Very good, Mia. Excellent. Let's see. Turn on the microphone, Mia. ¿Qué tal si en lugar de decir she is across the tunnel, decimos ella camina a través del túnel? Let's see. Mia, turn on the microphone, Mia.
She walking across the cave.
Okay, very good. Vamos a ponerle tunnel como tú pusiste en la oración. Very good. Bye. Let's see. She walks across the tunnel. Very good job. Excellent. She walks across the tunnel. Excellent. Camina a través del túnel. Ahí lo vamos a poner por acá. Here is the tunnel. So she walks across the tunnel. Easy sentences. We don't have to get complicated. Into. Hacia adentro. Vamos. Into. Ok. Muy bien, Marianne, pero ¿qué tal si en lugar de ponerle are, decimos que corren hacia adentro del túnel? Let's say it, Marianne, on the microphone.
They ran into the tunnel.
Excellent, Marianne. Very good. Because if we say are, tendría que decir they are in the tunnel. Están en el túnel. No están hacia adentro del túnel. Very good, Marianne. So they run into the tunnel. Excellent. Let's write it down. Let's write it down. They run into the tunnel. Excellent work, Marianne. Very good job. Okay, here we have another example. Let's see, up. Up is easy. Who can help me with up? Excellent, Carlitos. Let's say it on the microphone.
I climbed up the hill.
Very good. Very good, Carlitos. I climbed up the hill. Very good. Down. This is another that is very easy. Down, down, down. I am down off the waterfall. That could be a little confusing. Yeah. I am down off the waterfall. Let's see, Marito. Let's see, Marito. Say it on the microphone, Mario.
I walk down the hill.
Okay, that's better. I am down the waterfall, up, uh, down of the waterfall. It's a little bit confusing. Un poquito confundido. Vamos a cambiar algunas cositas. Let's see. Marito says, I go down the hill. I go down the hill. Oh, okay. Very good, Maria. Let's see. I walk down off the bridge. Very good. I walk down the bridge. Very good. Excellent. Let's see. Around. This is the one that is missing. Usemos algo con swamp. Pobrecito el swamp. We haven't practiced with swamp. Let's say something about the swamp. And we can use around. Swamp and around. A sentence with swamp and around. Very good, Mia. Pero nos falta goes. A ver, incluyamos goes. He goes. Let's say it on the microphone, Mia.
He goes around the swamp.
Very good. He goes around the swamp. Let's see another one. Excellent, Mia. Marito, a ver, share with me your example.
I run around the waterfall.
Very good. Okay, I run around the waterfall. Carlitos, now yours. Excellent, Mario.
I walk around the bridge.
Okay, I walk around the bridge. Excellent. Okay, but we're doing the sentence with swamp. So we're going to use Mia. He goes around the swamp because we are using the vocabulary word swamp. Okay, there we are. Excellent, very good practice. Good job. I run out of the cave. Carlitos goes through the cave a través de. I fly over the volcano. He goes around the swamp. Okay, look over here. Present tense. Si es presente, chicos. Goes, not going. No ponemos going. I climb up the hill. I go down the hill. No vamos a decir I going. No, no, no. I go down the hill. Let's see the rest of the examples. She walks across the tunnel. They run into the tunnel. We don't say running and we don't say walking because it's present tense. She walks, right? And remember that he, she, it, we add s. She walks. He jumps. She sleeps. Remember, we add s. Okay? Let's see. Here we go. We are erasing what we just did. And we will continue. Okay, here we are. We are ready now. Okay, present continuous. Now we can work with ing, right? With the examples, we were just using present tense. But now we are going to use ing. So let's see. In number one, let's see some actions. These are several things that they are doing. What are the kids here in the first picture doing? Who can help me? What are they doing? Remember to add ing. Let's see who raised the hand or write down on the chat. What are they doing? I'm going to give you an example. They are, yes, Marito?
They are swimming.
Excellent, Mario. Good job. They are swimming. Very good, Marito. That is what they are doing. They are swimming. And these kids over here, what are they doing? Hmm. Okay, Marianne, say it on the phone, on the microphone. What are they doing?
They are cooking.
Excellent. Very good, Marianne. They are cooking. Remember that if we are doing present progress continuous, what is the form? ¿Cuál es la forma, el patrón que debemos seguir? What is the formula? Verb to be, aquí está, mire, is, and here we have are and are. Okay, verb to be, ¿cuál es el verb to be? Remember this. This is important, kids. Verb to be. Which are the verb to be? Is, are, am. This is the verb to be. So this is our formula. Is, are, am, and then we have a verb, cualquier verbo, and we add ing. Like for example, cook, y le agregamos ing. So it looks, so it's going to say cooking. Okay? This is the formula. No se le olvide. This is important. Okay, what are these kids doing? The kids over here, what do you think they are doing? Excellent, Carlito. Say it on the microphone.
They are studying.
They are studying. Very good. Excellent, Carlito. They are studying. Excellent. There we go. They are studying. And here, these kids over here, they are really having fun. What do you think they are doing? They are, what do you think they are doing? Yes, Marianne, say it on the microphone, Marianne.
They are dancing.
Excellent, Marianne, very good job. And these friends over here, what are they doing? They are, look at their hands. What do you think they are doing? Let me help you here. They are painting. You just have to look at their hands. And these little kids over here, they are, what are they doing? They are, what do you think they are doing? Yes, very good. They are playing. Excellent. And the last ones, they are, what are they doing? What do you think they are doing? The last couple of kids. Excellent. Okay, they are watching. Very good, Carlitos. TV. Woo! There we go. Remember the formula. Verb to be is or am, a verb plus ing. Okay, don't forget the formula. Okay, excellent. Let's erase everything because we are ready to move on. Very good job. Okay, let's see over here. We have the story of Pompeii. The story of Pompeii. I'm going to read it for you. Open, if you have your book next to you, please open your book on the story of Pompeii, that it's on page 83. So we can remember some details about Pompeii. So let me read it for you. Follow the reading if you have your book, or concentrate on the presentation and we will follow the reading. It says, one of the most popular places to visit in Italy is Pompeii. Before August 79 AD, it was a large town on the Bay of Naples, near a volcano named Vesuvius. 20,000 people live in Pompeii. Nobody realized that Vesuvius was an active volcano. Wow, it was active. It was going to explode anytime. A terrible eruption, yeah, it erupted, began at 10 a.m. on August 24th. In a few hours, Pompeii and Herculaneum were buried into more than 7 meters of ash. Le cayó ceniza y fueron enterrados, right? En esas cenizas. Ash, ceniza. More than 2,000 people died. Today you can see the city as many of the people preserved in stones. 10 slaves died on the roof of a building. Oh, wow. A group of gladiators died in a tavern. People died in their homes. You can even see a sleeping dog. Imagine una estatua de un perrito que quedó dormido ahí quemado. The people who survived never went back, but now tourists fill the streets. Okay, what does the number 79 represent here? Let's try to remember from the story. What does the number 79 represent? Okay, the number 79 means the year of the eruption. We have to remember 79 AD means the year of the eruption. And the number 24, what does the number 24 represent? The day of the eruption. So 79, the year, 24, the day of the eruption. 20,000 represents the number of people who died. People who died. Well, who lived? No, this one who lived in Pompeii. 20,000 people lived in Pompeii. And at 10 a.m., the volcano erupted. So 10 represents the time of the eruption. And finally, 2,000 represents the people who died. Okay, this is story of Pompeii. Very good, Carlitos. It's very important. Let's try to remember as many details as we can, okay? Because we need to remember this information, okay? Remember the Vesuvius was the name of the volcano that erupted. The name of the volcano that erupted was the Vesuvius. Don't forget that, okay? Don't forget. And the amount of people who died in the Pompeii. And where was Pompeii located? It was in Italy. Okay, and then we have here Italy. Just to remember, these are very important places that we need to remember. Italy, a beautiful country. We have the first monument that is so beautiful, and many people died in the Colosseum. The gladiators used to fight in this place. This place is called the Colosseum. Okay, Colosseum. This is the name of this place where many gladiators died. Then we have a beautiful place where um, you can travel through a canal filled with water, and this place is called Venice. We have to remember places from Italy, important places that we can find in Italy. The Colosseum, Venice, and this beautiful monument that has so many mysteries because it's not straight, it's leaned, está inclinadita, mire. And this place is called Pisa, okay? Pisa. It was leaned to one side, and these places represent a very important part of the Italian history. So if we go to Europe, we can travel to Italy and we can find these beautiful places, right? These places where we can admire, we can travel, we can spend beautiful time and also understand Italian culture. Okay, remember these places because they are very important. Here it is. Este es el tema de European countries, okay? Excellent. Sequencing. Oh my God. No creo que nos alcance el tiempo, chicos, para terminar, but let's do it real fast. Okay, so remember first, next, then, and finally. This is how you work. What do we do first? First, we get the ingredients. Remember, this is how you describe procedures. Primero. Next, what do we do next? We need to follow procedure. Then we add jelly to the bread. Then we make a sandwich. And finally, we eat it. Okay, there we are. This is what we do. Okay, we follow a procedure. No vamos a hacer este, chicos, porque es lo mismo, right? Okay, I think we finished. Here we go. It was great. Este repaso estuvo muy bien. Cualquier duda, chicos. Congratulations to my dear fourth grader, parents and family. Okay, excellent work. Very good job. Cualquier pregunta y cualquier duda, chicos, send me a message or call me. Right? Ya el último era otro ejercicio parecido al que hice. Era lo mismo.